Now, I live here, but Derek has to drive home tonight, so he can't drink as much as me.
God,
Therefore, I have more fun.
It tastes so good. Oh,
I'm drunk, he's not.
now the moment a lot of you have been waiting for, the More Beer giveaway. All right, Eric wants you to know that he spent a lot of time writing each commenter's name on that video on a bottle cap.
Now, I wanted to display all these caps on the table and do a drive-by with the camera, but Derek told me not to. But I edit this in post, so I'm probably going to put it in there anyway.
All right, you want to have that honor? Draw two names, one for the winner, and the second one as a backup.
What's the backup for?
Just in case we can't get a hold of the first person.
And the winner of the MoreBeer starter kit is Mandrake Shark Lord.
Congratulations.
You just won a MoreBeer starter kit. I will reply to your comment with instructions how to receive this. And just in case Mandrake Shark Lord doesn't respond, then we have a backup winner right here. So Mandrake Shark Lord, keep an eye out for our reply to your comment on the MoreBeer video, or you can comment again on this video and we'll be in touch. Congratulations. Drink your fake meat.
MoreBeer giveaway starter kit review.
Drink your Kool-Aid.